Now this figure 19-23 deals with grounding, mainly in accordance with NEC 440.61, where your card and plug connector unit is shown in the illustration or hardwired. Now notice the NEC loop is important. The routing of the equipment ground with your phase conductors and neutral if involved, 300.3b. If you had a parallel system with an equipment ground, 300.5i. If you had a grouping requirement that you'd want to apply, which you would have to do that, 300.20a. The equipment ground routed now with these other circuits, 250.134b, as well as I'd also look at 250.136 also for some additional information. Now, other sections that I list, you could just review if you really want to study it in depth. 250.110, 250.112, 250.114, and 250.122b. Now notice in the drawing where we hardwired the air conditioner, and it just shows one hardwired. It shows EMT, rigid metal conduit, IMC, green field, and BX, the old AC cable being used. You find that in 250.118 of the code. Now, where your card and plug connect, 250.119 gives you your identification or color coding scheme. Now, I do believe with this information that I've given you will give you a very good start on understanding the grounding requirements of the equipment ground and how it's routed and used and sized and so forth, in accordance with the unit being card and plug connected with an equipment ground or routed with a wiring method using an equipment ground or a redundant type grounding scheme in accordance with 250.118. Now, this illustration 19-23 is pointing out this information and these requirements for grounding in accordance with NEC 440.61.